Over the years, I have taken hundreds of shots and that I use as a background for my wildlife shots. These include clouds, sunsets, and bokeh based shots. Since both Luminar 4 and ON1 Photo Raw 2020 make it easy to replace backgrounds, I decided to make the set of 25 backgrounds slash textures or sky replacements, whatever you choose to call them, so you can use them with your own images. These are all full frame images in the TIFF format, which would allow you to further process them wherever you need to. The link in the description is where you can download these images from. If you find these useful, do leave a comment and I will try and create more such packs. For now, we will just run through some of these images and how to use them in Luminar and ON1 Photo Raw. I have the same image open in both the applications, so we can do a side-by-side comparison. For Luminar, you would go into the creative mode, the AI sky replacement, the sky selection, and load custom image. Now these are the various images that we already have. There's a variety of these. So let's start with this one, for example. And there you have it. It is as simple as that. You can also use these images in the augmented sky, where you can do a selection, and again you can load a custom image, but in this case it allows only a JPEG. So you will have to convert these TIFFs to a JPEG before you can use them here. Okay, that's about it for Luminar. And of course you can use these images as layers. So if you do a new image layer, you can once again pick up any of these. This is water, for example, and if I reduce the opacity of this layer, you can see it seeping through. So let's move on to ON1 now. In ON1, you can use this obviously in layers, and in the effects panel you have textures. You just add a texture, click on import. I have already imported these textures here in the background folder, which you need to create. So once it is there, you can simply scroll down in this list, go into the backgrounds, and you can select any of these backgrounds that you want. Of course, you can easily customize the look and feel, and that's how you would use this in ON1 Photo Raw 2020. I hope you like these backgrounds and they are useful. Have fun. Till the next one.